You might have to like.
Yeah, you gotta put it in.
I'll tell you what, the ferocious boys, boy, there's some good boys. There's some good dudes.
I don't know if you're gonna be. I might have to take. Let me see it. Cause you can't go too far.
Yeah, it was a break.
If I have to. There.
You can probably get that in. Is that going down?
Boom. Like a glove, dude. Good job.
Starting to get hot.
Now, be careful when he says, good job. 'Cause that way, he's saying that you did it, and if there's anything wrong, he'll blame you too.
Yeah, I know how it works too, yeah.
Doesn't he ever shut up after?
I like it.
Like, 7.
It's nice to have a little person in the back seat. Shit. Makes you work hard.
Hurts my feelings.
Here you go. You want to hold the pass load?
Yeah, open that window for me, will you?
Who knows? Maybe we'll get a sponsorship from Pass Load.
Shit.
And send us
I'll
a free
take
tour.
one.
Yeah, they'll probably let me more losers buy the junk.
All right, Seb.
This shit talking is crazy.
Do you want to? You gotta basically just hold this. You want to sand this?
Yeah, I can.
Try to get it as flat as you can.
Dude, don't fool me yet.
You're in a rush.
You don't have to hold it there. I don't think it goes in there quite right for him. He said it does, but
I don't know if it goes in.
just suck it. That's amazing. I never used them. They're very nice. I got like 3 though. You up there, Dave? Good? Good.
This is a little bit of.
Bad?
No, I mean, this is a little bit of.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit right. Wherever he goes, he leaves his coffee mug.
Yep.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, bro.
I have a collection.
Yeah, he drinks coffee every day. That's how he gets through this shit.
Here, wipe everything off the back there. Okay, I'll work with it. Then we'll, I'll paint it. stuff out of the way, I'll put some paint on it, you're good to go. I'll act like I'm gonna pay him someday.
Yeah, just say fuck him.
We have a lot of fun.
You gotta be like, oh shit.
What's that? Well, it's not, work's no fun. I mean, work sucks unless you're having fun doing it. Especially when you gotta put up with him.
Nah, I do it. Like, all jokes aside, he's a cool ass.
Oh, he's a dude. Yeah, he's awesome. He's good.
Yeah.
He's good.
And he don't treat me like shit compared to other
No,
places.
he's not like that.
Yeah.
We treat him that way, but that way he knows we love him. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta bust his balls, or he won't think that you love him. that's the way guys.
That's how he works.
Yeah. You gotta let him know. You know that.
So what business do you own? Cause Zach was saying you do the excavating shit.
Yeah, I'm an excavation construction business. I used to have like 30, 40 guys working for me. I don't do it anymore. I mean, I do it excavation, construction. Still have a couple guys working for me. Only when I need them though, because honestly, you know, I'm getting old. My health isn't very good.
Yeah.
Cancer and shit like that. So
Oh, you have
it takes
you have cancer?
yeah.
I like that mentality.
What else you can do? My friend that just called me on the phone. He's got it. He got it worse than me.
Yeah.
So he just.
How old are you?
I'll be 58 in a couple of weeks.
Oh, you looking good at 50.
Yeah, the girls are taking their toll on me.
See, that's what happens.
Yeah, I know. Maybe you're right. Maybe I gotta pace myself. Maybe I always should.
That's what I do. Cause I get too distracted then.
Yeah. But and I have that garage that's across over there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you noticed, but that's my name on the sign.
Oh, that's your name?
Ryder, yeah.
I might go over to your shop instead. I just took my car in the shop. I got a Chevy Malibu. It's an LTZ.
Oh, yeah, what year is that?
2015. And I bought it, but I turned it in the shop because there was like a squeaking sound in the back of my tire. Like every time I drive, I could hear a squeaking sound. So I turned.
Turn up the radio.
Yeah, that's what I do. I just be like, fuck it. It's not affecting how I'm driving. It's just I hate the sound. And then I turned it into this one shop, and they said they fixed it. In Marlboro. So I went to Bargles. I don't know if you know what that is. But I turned it in there, and they said they fixed it, and it started squeaking again. I was like,
Bearing.
yeah, that. I
My son's over there, Jeremy. He's pretty good. I'm in there once a day.